back to another video. So today we have an interesting one. It should be pretty quick and easy to do, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. So what we're doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up and be an Amazon associate or affiliate. You are enabled to find items on Amazon that they sell on the Amazon website and actually put links on your website and the description of your videos on YouTube. Really anywhere that you can share a link, you will be able to do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and search up Amazon Associates, and the first thing that pops up is going to be this. You go ahead and click on the Amazon Associates program, and that's going to actually get you to this webpage. So as you can see here, it kind of shows you, it kind of tells you what, well, as it says here, what is the Amazon Associates program. So, you can read this, you can pause it right if you want to, and yeah, so basically you advertise the product on your web page, and then people will click the link and it sends them to Amazon, where if they buy it, you can earn up to 15% of that purchase. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually join and get started. I already have an account, so I can't actually go through the whole thing with you, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. So let's just go ahead and get started. So you're going to click join now for free, and you're going to get to this webpage. So once again, it kind of shows you a little bit of everything. You can learn about it and whatnot, but if you already know that you want to do this, you can kind of go ahead and click join now. So I'm going to crop this so that you won't be able to see much, but it's going to send you to a web page, and I'm actually not really going to show you much here because this includes some personal information such as emails and whatnot for the accounts we have with Amazon. So basically just sign in, and then I'll see you at the next step. So I kind of skipped over the actual signing up process, which I know you may be here for, but like I said, it's really straightforward and simple. Really just put in all the information, make sure it's correct, and it's really easy. It just, your address, your name. You do need your social security number, your SSN, just because you're actually they need your information in order to actually send you the money and whatnot. It's kind of like a job. You're gonna need to show them that kind of stuff. The one thing I know people might have a question about is the Amazon Associates ID. So what this is basically it's going to be your, I'm not really completely sure about it, but it's kind of like your username type of thing. So you can really put anything in there. Most people, and I would recommend this, to use just your name, your first and last, no spaces, and it'll give you, and it'll kind of make it for you. So once you've done that, that's really it. That's probably the only question you'll have. All the other stuff is basically just like, what are you using it for? What's your website? So you're gonna have to use a URL. You're gonna have to have a website. If you're gonna be using it on YouTube, then just put the URL to your channel. And yeah, so it's pretty easy. Just it's very straightforward. Make sure you know your social security number, so you have all that. And other than that, it's really easy. And once you're done, it'll send you kind of to this web page. So this is your account, all of this good stuff. But what you're gonna do to get started is to hover over this product linking tab, click on product links, and once you are here, you can actually search up anything. So you can go ahead and search up whatever you want. It could be really anything. We'll do Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. If I wanted to get that link for the Echo Dot, so as you can see here, it'll pop up with all of this. And so let's say we'll do this one, the first one. So if I was going to be talking about this in a video or on my web page, whatever you're going to be putting it on and talking about it, you'll just go over here. You can click on this to make sure you have the right one, and once you see that you have the right one or whatever, if you find the right one, you just go over here and click get link. So what this is going to do is actually take you to a page where you can actually get the URL, or if you're going to use it on your website, it'll give you the HTML. And yeah, so let's just go over here. You'd click on, the easiest way to do it, if you just want a little link, is to click on this, click on standard link, if you want. That's the big one. However, I tend to use the short link, which is this one, and it's just the shorter one, and it's nice and easy. So basically, you just kind of highlight this, copy it, and then go ahead and paste that on your website, on your YouTube channel, description, wherever you're gonna put it. You put it there, and that's really it. There's nothing else to do here. And once you're done, you can go ahead and go back over to product links if you want to do that again. However, there is one more thing I would like to show you, because that's really the same process you do every time for that. Another thing you can do is get promo codes. It's basically a coupon. So basically you choose a promo code to share from the list below, and then you use the get link button like we just did, and it'll basically just make a link for you, and then when they click on your link to redeem the discount, you will earn an advertising fee. So if you want to get something specifically, unfortunately, at least at the moment, you can't search for it exactly, but you can go in here and find the subject, I guess, that you would want to do. Alright, so if we click on it, we can actually see here that it brings us to this. So what this is, it says save 10% on the eligible items below. The promo code is applied to your account and valid until February 6th. And yeah, so it'll show you what the options here are for this coupon or this promo code. Last thing I want to show you guys real quick is just your stats. So it'll show you here all of your stats and basically how much you've earned and whatnot. So it's really cool. I just started. I just signed up, a couple days ago. So yeah, guys, I really recommend it. Just to make some extra cash, if nothing else. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and peace out, guys.